Today we are creating a beautiful set of boss braids, a style that has not only become a classic, but also a symbol of self-expression. As I work on my client's hair, I want to share a story about something many of us face, don't always talk about. Self-confidence and how we cope with setbacks in life. There was a time in my life when I struggled with self-doubt. I remember being in secondary school, feeling like I didn't quite fit in. It wasn't just about looks. It was a fear that I wasn't enough, talented enough, beautiful enough. That feeling can sometimes be crippling. If you've ever felt like that, know you're not alone. Many of us carry the same thoughts quietly, even as we move through life. Life has a way of throwing challenges at you. I remember one year I failed an important exam I had studied so hard for. That failure hits me differently. It made me feel small, like I wasn't worthy of success. I didn't even want to show my face for a while. But over time, something changed. I began to realize that setbacks don't define us. When you fail or face difficulties, it's not the end. It's just a part of the journey. I started focusing on what I was good at, on the small victories, instead of comparing myself to others. I embraced my uniqueness. That's why I learned something crucial. Confidence comes when you start appreciating who you are, flaws and all. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by life challenges. Maybe it's not about hair or exams, but about relationships, careers, or personal goals. It could be anything, but there's what I know now. Every setback, every disappointment is an opportunity to rise again, to redefine yourself. Take this braiding process, for example. You start with rough, unstyled hair. The sections are everywhere. Nothing looks defined yet. But with patience, care, and consistency, each braid starts coming together, perfectly aligned. Life is just like that. It may seem messy at first, but with effort, it can turn into something beautiful. One thing that helped me regain my confidence was learning to love every step of the process, whether it's doing hair or facing life challenges. Embrace the journey. Know that setbacks don't stop your progress. They shape your progress. They make you stronger, wiser, more resilient. At the end of the day, self-confidence is not about perfection. It's about knowing that you're enough, just as you are. And that no matter what comes your way, you will keep going. You will keep shining. Just like these box braids, which are started from scratch, but now stands as a beautiful crown. You too can rise and glow in your own uniqueness. So if you're feeling down or facing a setback, remember this. Keep braiding your story, one strand at a time. You will get there and you are enough. You are worthy of every dream you're chasing. If you love the motivation and the story today, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for more. Stay blessed. Bye for now.